Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the fish with a disco mutation in Fish It game of Roblox new classic event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the classic island and you need to find the classic cave. So you can go to this area guys. Then you can enter this classic cave. Okay, and the spot is inside this classic cave. Oops, sorry. All right, I'm already at the classic cave, and you're going to find the iron cafe. So we can fish at the iron cafe if you want to get the fish with disco mutation. And to unlock the iron cafe, guys, you need to catch 3 specific fish. Wait, let me show you right here. Oh, I think they are already gone. Oh, right there. Okay. These are the fish that you need to catch to unlock the iron cafe. After the iron cafe is unlocked, you can fish there to catch the fish with the disco mutation. Okay, this is the iron cafe, and I'm going to cast my rod here to catch fish with disco mutation. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the disco mutation in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.